All right. Good morning, guys. Today's reminder is simple, guys. It's just one thing that we may overlook from once in a while, and that is to keep in mind the expected move for the stock that you're trading, guys. If the expected move is, 16, 26, 22, $8, $9, whatever the expected move is, guys, don't forget to be mindful of the expected move for the stock. Don't be trading Tesla on a $9.50 expected move, and now it's already at $9 or $8.50, and you're holding on for dear life, and then this thing reverses on you. If it already blew its load for the day, take your profit or lock it in and wait for the next day. So that's all we have for today, guys. Let's get it. Make that money.
More money, more money.